What's up everyone? So I guess Jacky got a new color. You guys want to see it? I'm gonna go like 30-minute video and then I'm gonna just show it for the last 2 seconds of it, so just be aware. I'm kidding. There she is. Came back from paint. I ended up putting the front lips, the side skirts. Obviously the car's still very dirty. I haven't washed it. I'm trying to let the paint just kind of sit back, kick back for a while. So what I'm gonna be working on today is putting the other stud back on so I can put the Mugens on and start kind of messing with the fitment, especially in the back. But yeah, there it is. I mean, not the best of paint jobs, but the mission was not to spend a lot of money. And again, just it's one of those things that I wanted to get it done. She looks much better, one color. They end up fixing some of the hits that by the sunroof right there, and then here as well. Now I don't know how well they fixed it, and I'm gonna be guesstimating that not the best, but like I said, here it is, and yeah, we'll get working on it. Alrighty, so I ended up taking the front end apart, gonna put on the wheels. Should sit much higher. This is where we're at right now. But yeah, as you can tell, the fender over there, the inner part hasn't been painted. I'm gonna sand it down and paint it, I think dark green or black, whatever. You may be wondering why I didn't get that painted. With the lip, the side skirts, and the rear lip, it was already adding up. Plus all the details that I had to take out. So I was like, you know what? When the right time comes, I'm actually gonna, I don't know, whatever I do decide doing on the bay, I might just at that moment actually take it to get it painted, or just maybe like a rattle can. I'm not sure, but you know, I wanted the car to be at least one color in the outside. So yeah, we're gonna start messing with the fitment, both front and back, and then I'll give you guys a little update. Cool. Alrighty, so flip the car around. We're getting ready to start dialing on the rear fitment. The front there's a big I guess gap, you would say, here, but I'm okay with it. Even just pulling into the garage again, it was a tight fitment there, and I just don't want to mess up my fenders. Maybe down the road I'll probably end up going lower, but for now, this is where we're at. Yeah, I'm gonna take out the rear bumper, and then I'm gonna install that rear lip. Oh, I put it over here. I was like, what the hell happened to my lip? That rear lip is damaged, but you know, it is what it is. I'm just, maybe down the road I'll change it up, maybe more OEM style lips. But the problem is that since these wheels are a bit wide and aggressive, I don't know how that would look. I think it would still look pretty cool down the line, if I decide to go OEM lips and stuff. The only issue is that my side skirts here, I would need to drill in the OEM or whatever aftermarket or whatever I decide to do down the road. I would need to drill, just because the sides are no longer they're no longer straight, just from jacking up the car the wrong way, or you know, somebody else was working on the car and they jacked it up in the wrong positioning. So just things like that. But yeah, hopefully she looks a little bit better in about 2 seconds. Playing with the rear fitment a little bit. I'm not really happy with it. Part of the problem is my camper kit. It's been set the same forever, that it's stuck right now, so I can't move it. I did play with the height a little bit. I did have to lower it a little bit more. The tire fitment on the jet lines are much beefier because they're not as wide as this one, and the aggressive offset pushed the tire way more out. So at the moment It's a little bit sunk in. I'm not very happy with it, but part of the reason why I don't want to take out more camber is the fact that I am running a very beefy tire, and with the old setup I would rub a lot. So I actually, you know, even though I know fitment wise, like I'll give you as an example, like that bothers me right here. That bothers me. It's not the best fitment, but even like I said, pulling up to the garage, shoot man, it was a tight little, you know, it was closer than I would have wanted it for my tasting. And again, because I'm not trying to mess up my fenders, man. I buckle those fenders for, you know, trying to be super, you know, flush with the fitment. And I remember I wasn't even going fast when I buckled that right one. I wasn't even going fast. I just went on a little dip and I buckled it, and I was just like, what the hell, man. The other one was like a flat tire and whatever. So I'm really not trying to get like the most perfect fitment, even though I would love it. But that's where we're at right now. You know, it's a hate-love relationship, because I wish I can take out more camber out, but at the same time I can't because of the beefy tire setup that I have. And if I end up, you know, rubbing, it might damage. It might do a bigger damage than. I'm sure rolling it will look fine. I think I have the right height. I want to say I ended up lowering the right way. I know I still have to mess with the suspension. I get that. I still have to go up and down. As much as I want to ride low, I don't know. I think this is gonna be as the lowest it's gonna get, because I'm not trying to destroy my stuff, man. My wife calls me destroyer hands because I destroy everything I touch. So and yeah, but that's the way it's looking right now. I don't know. I think I'm digging this height. That's what I say. Now I'm gonna want to go lower, but for now, this is where we're at. Just trying to keep it functional, you know. So I think I'm good. Alrighty, so now I'm taking the parts that I need, like the lights from my old bumper, putting them into the new one. Pain in the ass to put the rear lid by myself, but it's there. Still needs to play with the adjustment on both sides, and I need to screw them in from the interior, so that way if it's better outside, it's fine. I'm cool with it. There's a crack here. I'm so happy that you can't see it, but I gotta be careful and not drive too fast, because that crack is super delicate and it's just gonna crack all the way up. But yeah, you know, pretty much just putting in the last little touches, and then I gotta look for a bolt for one of these, because this one has it. Where is it? Oh, doesn't have it. This one does, but at the same time one of them is cracked, so I'm just gonna have to get new ones, and I am gonna be getting the clear ones just to kind of continue with the clear in the front. But yeah, that's how it is. It's not raining as much, but it's still getting some water there. So just want to give you guys a little update. It took me forever to put that rear lid by myself, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? All right, so I did stop drizzling. So I am gonna take it out just to pretty much flip it around, and I'll be sweeping the garage and putting her back, and then just giving the paint a little bit of rest. I will be painting this trims black, but yeah, I'm in love with the way she looks. I'm excited, but we're not done yet. So again, thank you guys all for the support, man. I truly appreciate it. Yeah, we're getting things done. I couldn't find the freaking stud, so I gotta add the other stud to the front end, to the front left wheel. But yeah, I still have to bolt in the bumper the proper way, so that way we don't have these little gaps. Yeah, man, I'm just excited about how it's looking. Oh shoot, I gotta take out the wipers. Should remember. Who the hell left a freaking little thing like here? Yeah, I took out the wipers and fix them because that one's messed up, as you can tell. It's hitting, so that's the last thing I want. Will be chipping my hood every time I open and close it. So nah, I'm not gonna go wiper delete, because with my luck I'm gonna get it right when it starts raining. So anyways, is what it looks like. I have the OEM window visors. I still have to fix those, but yeah man, appreciate you guys.